Hello class 10 students. Today I am going to show you how to use assignment operator, document.write and prom dialog box. So first of all, I'll increase the size of the notepad, text size of the notepad. Then rest of all tags you already know. In my previous video, I have already told you that JavaScript is written in HTML. So the basic tag of HTML you already know, that doc type, HTML. Here head tag and title tag is not mandatory. If you want, then you can add it, or if you don't want, then don't add it. Just type HTML. Then after that, body tag. After body tag, you have to write script tag. Type script tag, and two attributes of script tags are language and type. As I told you, language and type specifies the script language you are being used. So language and type, these two attributes are not necessary, but still you can add with your script tag. So you write type, after that text, quotation mark is necessary, and don't do the mistake in spellings. If you don't write wrong spelling, then JavaScript will not give you the appropriate output. After the script tag, you have to write JavaScript code. As I told you how you can declare a variable in JavaScript, you have to write the keyword var. Then after that, the variable name. Since I am demonstrating the assignment operator, so equal sign you have to add. Then the string that I am adding with the variable name, Monica Kaur within quotation mark. Single quotation both can be used. Then another variable I am declaring, class no need the result to write. After typing the result, the value, same process. If you are putting text, then you put a single quotation or double quotation, type it, then come to the next variable. You can declare a variable or assign a value by using a semicolon sign. It is explained in your book. You can check it how it can be done. But remember that variable naming rules are necessary to follow here. Suppose here I wrote total marks. In grammatically, total space marks should be written, but you cannot give a space, empty space in a variable. And here I am adding a numerical value, total mark 560. So here variable have got values. I have assigned the values by using an assignment operator, equal sign. Now the document.write. Document.write is a statement of JavaScript that display a message or display text on the web page, not in a pop-up window. Then the bracket, then after name I wrote name within the quotation. Quotation text is free to write because it is not a variable, but outside the quotation, that is small letter name, you can see that is in the exactly same how I have declared in the variable name, same process. And I will add br tag to bring next line, otherwise the next line also will come with the first line. So br tag can be used by using quotation mark and put plus sign. Plus sign, I have already told you what is the use of plus sign, to join two string in JavaScript. And here same process, I can edit result within quotation mark, then colon, double quotation, then plus sign. Then after that, the variable name must be same with the declaration. As I told in my previous audio. This name and that name must be same. Keep in your mind. Same kind of example or the same kind of exercise given in the lab question. There are two questions, number 1 and number 2. You can follow this way and you can do it. You have to do it and you have to show me. So each statement we can write document.write. We can complete it with one line only, but it will be difficult for you to understand. So for each statement I am writing document.write. Then quotation mark, suppose total mark I shall type. Here you can give space because you are writing the statement and it is within the quotation, so it can be written the way you want. But the variable name, suppose here I am writing variable name, T capital letter, and the name spelling marks must be same. Since it is a last line, so I will not put BR tag, just close the bracket. Then we have to close script tag. Script tag will be closed. Then after that body tag. Then HTML tag. So this is how you can assign values to a variable by using an assignment operator, that is equal sign, and display it. But this value will not change because you have fixed the value by giving equal sign. So just to show how to use the equal sign, this program is written. Now we have to save the file. In last video also I have showed you file name followed with .html, not JavaScript, do not have any separate extension, that is HTML. Then save it. Then after that you go to the folder where you have saved the file. Then after that you open and see. If your Google Chrome is a default browser, so Google Chrome it will open, or you can open it in Internet Explorer too. So how I have written it, exactly same way it display on the screen. So this is the use of document.write and equal sign. Now if I will remove this equal sign and want to allow the user or a person to enter the value by using keyboard, so we have to use another statement for that. Just I am removing the equal sign, the value that I have assigned to the variable. Now I shall use another statement to ask the user to enter the values. Rest of all remain same, how I'll display as it is, but I have to write prompt dialog box. Name is a variable equal to prompt, then bracket start. The text that will display in a pop-up window, that is enter your name. When it will ask you to enter your name, then you will enter your name. It is not necessary that you have to enter Monica Kaur. You can enter any name that you like, or your name also you can edit. Then after that result, same way result also, prompt dialog box, you ask the user to enter the result. Same process, variable name equal sign, then after that the statement, enter your result. So when you get this message on your screen, then you will type your result, quotation mark, bracket close. Same way total mark we can edit like that. Variable name must be same, how I have followed in document.write. Here itself also we have to follow the variable name, what we have declared as it is, we have to write it. Then after that prompt dialog box, then bracket start. Here you can find assignment operator is equal sign. Equal sign is used to assign the value that user will input. Enter your total mark. Total marks. So here also in between the quotation, what text you want to write, you can write it. Not necessary that you have to write enter your text. You can write enter marks, or what is your total marks. You can write any statement within the quotation mark. Then after that file, save, and go to the browser, then refresh it. and automatically one pop-up window will appear where you have to enter your name. So you can type your name here by using keyboard. Type the name, then after that you have to click on the OK button. Then next question will be asked to you, what is your total mark, or what, enter your total mark or result, the total marks. So after entering the total mark, click on OK, and then it will display on the screen because of document.write. That down portion is for document.write. So this is how you can use prompt dialog box to enter value to a variable in JavaScript. Thank you. If you have got any doubt, please ask me.